Hi there. Welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you a bountiful harvest of pumpkins and turkeys that I've used to set my Thanksgiving table. So let's look around the table. For my Thanksgiving table today, I'm going to be using a brown tablecloth. It has a leaf design on it. I'm going to be using my bronze chargers. The china that I'm using today is His Majesty. It's a transferware that has turkeys, and around the border it's got gourds and pumpkins. I ordered this a few years back from JCPenney's. You can get turkey patterns, transferware that's vintage. I saw it over the years, but like I said, this I ordered. I've got the dinner plate. I'll be using the salad plate. The flatware is my wooden handled flatware. For the stemware, I'm going to be combining some amber glasses, both old and new. The taller ones are cut glass. I picked those up at Walmart. And then I have another set that are these pretty amber with the wide gold band. They're probably from the 1970s. I picked those up at an estate sale. And I have a little wooden glass. I don't know what you use wooden glasses for, but I found these at Goodwill and I like them, so I just add them in too. I have a set of pumpkins that are covered soup bowls, and I'm putting one at each place setting. I have some little turkey dishes. I guess they could be used as a custard dish. I've just put a little pear in mine. And for the napkin, I'm using a little turkey napkin ring. I think I picked those up at a yard sale. I love collecting seasonal ceramics, and here on my Thanksgiving table I'm featuring a lot of my Thanksgiving items. The tureen is here in the center. I have it on an old cake stand. You can't see, I have it covered up, but it is part of a set that I picked up at Pier 1. Got the cover bowls and then the tureen. Pilgrims. I bought those at Big Lots. I have antique brass candlesticks with rusty peach candles. The candlesticks came from Rose Tree Interiors, my store. Now around the base of everything I have a vine. This is a permanent floral vine. I think it's about 5 feet long. And I've just taken it after I've set the accessories in place and zigzagged it around. And then I've used some preserve oak leaves that are in the autumn shades and used those to mingle around and cover up the mechanics of the vine. And then I've tucked in little gourds and pumpkins. I've got some here that are different shades of amber and golds and browns. The more color you put to a table, I think the more impact that it has. I have a pair of topiaries. These have pumpkins and gourds. These actually were pre-made that I picked up, and they weren't quite gussied up enough for my taste, so I added some pumpkins and berries to them. I've got a couple of turkeys. I have one facing this way and one at the other side. I have a set of plates that they're turkey plates that I'm going to use as dessert plates. They go with the little custard dishes. They're Better Homes and Gardens. Here at the back corner I have a pumpkin pitcher. Teapot. I'm using an amber cake stand that I have a turkey dish on top of. I've also got a gravy boat with pilgrims on it. I hope that your cornucopia is overflowing with blessings this year. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Be sure and turn on the notifications bell so that you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.